What's up guys, it's me Gmail. So the question is that front-end web development tech degree versus front-end web development nano degree. Okay, so yeah, if you don't know, I was a classroom mentor for Udacity. Now I do not like Udacity. I do not recommend Udacity. Udacity is run by a bunch of crappy Indians. Crappy Indians. It's a lot of Indians people. I mean, come to me, support me. They agree. They say crappy Indian mean crappy Indian, which they crappy Indian. I'm saying in a sense they hire bunch of Indian cheap labor. Okay, cheap labor, which they do not know anything. Like I mean, I was a digital marketing classroom mentor before for the programming also. I mean, there was a lot of classroom mentor which do not even understand the basic of SEO. They were teaching, they were giving the wrong advice to students. I protest. There was an argument. Udacity kicked me out. The problem is that behind the scene, Udacity hired cheap labor from India. I mean, you can hire some good Indian. Why you have to hire crappy Indians which are failure in their life, which are unemployed? They hire people which are unemployed, which are failure in their life, which have no idea what they are talking about, rather than hiring someone who already have some experience. There are a lot of good Indians who know what they are talking, who know their field, who understand their own domain. No, 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 no. Udacity will not hire them because they are expensive. Yeah, I mean, Udacity, I do not recommend. I mean, again, I do not recommend. They are totally for. I mean, they are like they just need money, 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 money. They can build any nano degree. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if Udacity build like a nano degree in ammunition or I mean like gun assembly or something like that. I wouldn't be surprised. Literally, I wouldn't be surprised. They can do anything, or they build a nano degree in like farming. Farming is a good thing. I wish there was a nano degree in farming on a serious note. I mean, they just need money. I mean, what people ask, they build for them, okay? Now for Teamtreehouse. Teamtreehouse is also for money, but personally, Teamtreehouse like billion times better. Teamtreehouse have a history of online tutorial. I mean, 20 bucks you will learn unlimited. I mean, team three of they have their own mentor there. I mean, assignment checker, their reviewer. They are part time, full time employee. I mean, their work ethics are better. They are also in some of Indians work for Team 3 hours, but they are professional. They have the portfolio. Some of them run their business. Some of them they have own their web development studio. I mean, the agency. There's no reason you should waste your money on Udacity. Stay away. Just jump. Go with it. Team 3 hours. My point is not hurting anyone. Again, my point is not hurting anyone. Literally, I'm not wanna hurt. I'm just talking about this bad and every I mean company. I mean, even they I mean they are Indians. To be honest with you, the entire Udacity is now run by the Indians. I mean that is a fact. I'm not saying that is a bad thing. I'm saying when bunch of uneducated or Indians which do not know what they are teaching, there's no reason. Again, it was me, Gmail.